Hi everyone, welcome back to 8th standard maths class. In the previous video, we have finished one activity from the section sum and difference. Now, in this video, let's move on to the last activity. Okay, last activity from the same section. Page number 84. Same identities we are going to use here. Okay, page number 84. First question is, square of 4 numbers from calendar is already given in the question. Okay, numbers are 4, 5, 11, 12. Okay, these are the 4 numbers, square of 4 numbers from a calendar. Question is, find the difference of squares of diagonal numbers. Okay, diagonal numbers. So here that first section answer already given in the question, that is diagonal numbers 4 here 12. This is the first diagonal number. Next is 5 and 11. So answer already given. First find the sum of squares of the diagonal number, then its difference. So it is given that 4 square plus 12 square. 4 square plus 12 square equal to 160 as the answer. It is already given. Next is 11 square plus 5 square. These two numbers, diagonal numbers. Here also answer is given as 146. Then its difference is 160 minus 146, that is 40. Okay, up to this already given in the question. Okay, so this is a question given, square of 4 numbers from a calendar and sum of the squares of diagonal numbers, then its difference. Now first sub question is, take another 4 number like this. Take another 4 number from the same calendar like this and check whether answer is the same for that pair also. That means whether answer is 14 or not. That is the question. Okay. So instead of 4, 5, 11, 12, we need to choose another 4 numbers. So here, what is the speciality of numbers in calendar? Moving forward, 1 is adding. 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. Moving downwards, it is 7 adding. 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, 5 plus 7 is 12. Downwards, 7 is adding. Forward, 1 is adding. So we can choose any number. Okay, so here let's start from 2 here. Okay, so 2. Suppose first number is 2. Second number will be 3. What will be here the number? 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. After 9, 10. Okay, so let's consider these 4 numbers. Now diagonal numbers, first diagonal numbers are 2 and 10. Okay, so first step is we have to find the square of these two numbers and the sum. So 2 square plus next number 10. 10 square. Sum of the squares of diagonal number. So 2 square 4 plus 10 square 100. That is 104. So first diagonal numbers is sum of squares of first diagonal number 104. Now second diagonal numbers 3 and 9. So 3 square plus next is 9. 9 square. So 3 square is 9 plus 9 square is 81. So answer is 90. After finding sum of squares of diagonal number, you have to find the difference of this answer. So difference. This is first sub question. Okay. So difference equal to bigger number 104. So 104 minus 90. So here answer is what? Same 14 we will get. Okay. So in the question already it is given that 14 was the answer. So if we choose 2, 3, 9, 10, then also we got the same answer 14. So this is first sub question. Now in the second sub question is, check whether it is the same for all such numbers using algebra. Okay, check with using algebra. That is the second sub question. Okay, whatever be the number, whether we got the same answer 14. That is the second sub question. So algebra means instead of number we have to choose what? Variables. So let's do that. So here 4 number. Okay, square of 4 numbers by using algebra. So let's start from x. First number let's consider as x. So next number will be 1 adding. 1 adding means x plus 1. Now moving downwards, 7 is adding. So x plus 7. Next is x plus 8. So these are the square of 4 numbers. 4 number, total 4 numbers means 2 rows and 2 column. Okay, like this. Now what is the question? We have to find the sum of squares of diagonal numbers. So diagonal number here x plus 8. So squares means first one x square plus sum x plus 8 the whole square, x plus 8 whole square. This is one term. Okay, you have to consider x plus 8 as a single term, that number square. Now let's expand this. We have to find the answer of this. X square is x square itself plus x plus 8 whole square. That means this is of the form x plus y whole square. What is the identity? X plus y the whole square is x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is the identity. So that one we are going to use here. So here x square plus x plus 8 the whole square means first one number this one, second number this one. So x square plus 2 into, in the place of x, x itself. So x into y. Y means here it is 8. So 2 into x into 8 plus 8 square. This is the format, first identity that we are going to use here. Now let's simplify. X square plus x square. So total is 2x square. Sum. Now 2 into x, 2x. 2x into 8. Multiplication here. So 8 2s are 16. So plus 16x plus 8 square. 8 square is 64. Okay. So this is first one's answer. First diagonal number answer. Similarly, you have to consider the second diagonal. That is x plus 1 and x plus 7. So sum of the squares. X plus 1 whole square plus second number is x plus 7 whole square. Okay, same like this we have to open this. So when you open the first bracket x plus 1 the whole square, this is the identity. So answer will be x square plus 2 into x into y is 1 here. So 2 into x into 1 plus y square. Y square means 1 square plus next is what? X plus 7 the whole square. Again you have to open the bracket. That is x square plus 2 into what? 2 into x into next number is 7. So 2 into x into 7 plus y square. Y is 7 here. So 7 square. Okay. Now let's simplify. So x square here plus 2 into x into 1. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into x, 2x. Plus 1 square is 1 itself. Plus next is x square plus 2 into x into 7. 7 2s are 14. 14 into x. That is 14x. Plus 7 square is 49. Okay. Next is x square here, x square here. So total how many x square here? 2 x squares are there. 2x square plus 2x plus 14x. So total is what? 14x here, 2x here. 14 plus 2, 16. So 16x plus 1 here, 49 here. Numbers 49 plus 1, 50. Okay. Same variable we need to add. X square and x square we can add, but x square plus 2x is not possible to add. That's why we are adding like this. So this is the second answer. Next is what? We need to find the difference. Okay, difference we have to find. So here difference means from this we need to subtract this. So 2x square plus 16x plus 64 minus all this. So after minus the signs will be reverse. Okay, here all are positive, but here negative means we need to write all are negative. So 2x square minus 16x minus 50. Okay, now when you check you can see one 2x square here, one minus 2x square here. Different sign but same numbers that we can cancel. Now 16x, positive 16x here, minus 16x here. That also we can cancel. Now remaining is 64 minus 50. 64 minus 50 answer is what? 14. Okay. So by using algebra also we got the same answer 14. That means sum of squares of diagonal numbers, then its difference is always 14 for a calendar. Okay. Square of 4 numbers. So this is first one's answer. This is question number 2. Okay. Here in this question a square of three numbers from the calendar. Okay, square of 3. Square of 3 means 3 rows and 3 column. That is square of 3. Okay, 3 rows will be there, 3 columns. Okay, 3 into 3, total 9 numbers will be there. That is square of 3. So it is already given in the question. This is a square given 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19. And this is also given in the question. That means sum of squares of diagonal. Okay, same like the previous question. Previous it was square of 2. Here it is square of 3. That is the difference. So here the first diagonal numbers are what? First diagonal numbers are 3 and 19. Okay, so this is the first diagonal numbers 3 and 19. Next diagonal numbers are 5 and 17. Only corner numbers we are considering. Okay, and by finding the sum of squares of these numbers, 3 square plus 19 square answer is 370. 5 square plus 17 square answer is 314. Then difference is given as 56. By subtracting 314 from 370, we got the answer as 56. Up to this already given in the question. Our first sub question is take another 3 numbers. Okay, take another numbers like this from the calendar. We have to choose another square of 3 like this and check whether we are getting the same answer 56. That is the first sub question. So we have to draw the square of 3. That means 3 rows and 3 column we have to draw, and we need to choose another numbers. Okay, from anywhere we can start. Here let's start from 1. Okay, 1 is also a number in the calendar. Okay, date 1 is there. So if we are starting from 1, next number will be 2, then 3, downwards 1 plus 7. Okay, 7 adding. So 1 plus 7, 8, then 9, 10. Then 8 here. Again 7 adding downwards. So 8 plus 7, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so these are the 9 numbers forming a square of 3. Okay, let's consider this number. Then what is our question? We have to find what? Sum of squares of diagonal numbers. So diagonal numbers here 1 and 17. First diagonal. So 1 square plus 17 square. This is the first one. So 1 square is 1 plus, next is what? 17 square. 17 square is 289. 17 into 17 is 289. So here answer will be 290. Now next diagonal numbers are 3 and 15. Second diagonal numbers. Again we have to find sum of square of these. So 3 square plus 15 square. So 3 square answer is 9 plus 15 and square is 15 into 15 is 225. Now 225 plus 9 answer is 234. Okay, next is what? Difference. Okay, difference we need to find. That means 290 minus 234. This also we need to find. So when you subtract this, the same 56 we will get. Okay, 290 minus 234, answer is 56. So when we take another 9 numbers forming a square of 3, we are getting the same 56 as the answer. Okay, so this is first sub question. Instead of this, you can choose any number. You can start from 6, 7. From anywhere you can start, but that must follow the rule of calendar. That means forward 1 must be adding, downward 7 must be adding. That is the only condition. Okay, or you can choose 1 to 30, any number you can choose. Okay, so this is the first sub question. Now second sub question, explain using algebra why this 56 is the same for all. So instead of number we have to choose variables. So let's start from x. First number let's consider as x. So next will be x plus 1 then x plus 2. Now moving downwards, so 7 is adding, so x plus 7. Now x plus 7 here, next number will be what? Plus 7, again one more plus 7. That means x plus 14. Okay, 7 plus 7, 14. So now here it will be x plus 8, here x plus 9. Here also moving forward, 1 must be added. So x plus 14 plus 1, 15 here. Then x plus 15 plus 1, 16. Okay, so these are the 9 numbers, okay, using what? Algebra. Now we need to find what? Square of sum of squares of diagonals. So these are the first diagonal, x plus 16 and x. This is the first one. So let's do, that means square. So first is x square plus next number x plus 16. So x plus 16 whole square. Okay, now x square is x square itself plus x plus 16 the whole square means identity. Okay, x plus y the whole square identity. So answer will be x square plus 2 into x into y is what? 16 here. 16 plus y square. Y square means 16 square. This is the identity. Okay, don't forget this. X plus y the whole square is x square plus 2 into x into y plus y square. This is the identity that you must use here. Now let's simplify. X square plus x square. So total 2x square plus 2 into 16. 2 into 16 is 32. So 32x plus 16 square. 16 square answer is 256. 16 into 16 is 256. So we got the first answer. Now second diagonal numbers are x plus 2 and x plus 14. So let's do that. So first is x plus 2 whole square plus next is x plus 14 whole square. Okay, now let's expand this. First of all, first bracket x plus 2 the whole square. So answer will be x square plus 2 into x, 2x. 2x into 2, 4x plus 2 square. That is why I am directly writing. Okay, just by using identity, that's it. Plus next is x plus 14 the whole square. First is x square plus 2 into x into 14. So 2 into x, 2x. 2x into 14. 14 into 2 is what? 28. X plus 14 square. Okay, now 14 square. 14 square means it is 196. Okay, 14 square is 196. Now let's simplify this. That is x square here, x square here. So total 2 x squares are there. So 2x square. Now how many x terms are here? 1 4x here, 28x here. That is possible to add. So 28 plus 4 is 32. So 32x. Now what other terms remain? 4 remain, 196 remain. Numbers are 196 plus 4. So 196 plus 4 answer is 200. Okay, so we got that answer also. Next is what? Difference you have to write. Difference. So difference means this term minus this term. So 2x square plus 32x plus 256 minus 2x square plus 32x plus 200. Now if it is in bracket, you can write like this. If you are opening the bracket, every sign must be reverse. Here also I am writing directly. Okay, after negative all the sign will be reverse. Here all are positive, that's why after minus everything negative. So 2x square we can cancel, plus 32x minus 32x we can cancel. Now remaining is 256 minus 200. From 256 if we subtract 200, what will be the answer? 56 is the answer. So by using algebra also we got the same answer, 56. So this is second sub question. Okay, so second question also over. Last question, that is question number 3. Here also one Square is already given in the question. Okay, square of three numbers 3, 4, 5, 10, 11, 12, 17, 18, 19. This is the numbers given in the question. And here it is given that 3 into 19. 3 into 19 means just product of diagonal numbers. Okay, product of diagonal numbers. So first diagonal numbers are the 19 and 3. This is the first diagonal numbers. Just product. So just product means just multiplication. 3 into 19, answer is 57. Next diagonal numbers are 5 and 17. So 5 into 17, answer is 85. Next it is given that difference of that answer is 28. Okay, this is given in the question. First sub question is check another 9 numbers. Choose another 9 numbers and check whether answer is 28 or not. Same like the previous two question, we have to choose another 9 numbers from the calendar. Okay, so let's start from 1. Next to 2, then 3. So downwards 7 is adding. So 8, then 8 plus 7, 15. 8 plus 1, 9, 10 here. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. Let's choose these as the numbers. Now let's find the product of diagonal numbers. So here the diagonal numbers are 1, then 17. So 1 into 17, answer is what? 17 itself. Next diagonal numbers are what? 3 and 15. Just find the product. 3 into 15. So 3 into 15, answer is 45. Then let's find the difference. 45 minus 17. When you subtract this, you will get the answer 28. You can check. 45 minus 17 is what? It is 28. So same answer we got when we choose another 9 numbers from the calendar. So this is first sub question answer. Now second sub question is explain using algebra why this is 28 for all the times. Okay, using algebra. So let's draw algebraic terms. So using algebra, we will get a square of 9 numbers like this. X plus 1, x plus 2. You know how to draw. Okay, moving forward 1 adding, moving downwards 7 adding. Now our question is find the product of diagonal numbers. Okay. So here product of diagonal number, first diagonal numbers are x and x plus 16. So x into x plus 16. X into x plus 16. No need to put this into. Without multiplication also it is the same what? X into x plus 16. Okay, this is also same x into x plus 16. Now how we will open the bracket? From the number outside you have to multiply two number inside the bracket, that is x into x first. X into x is x square plus, because plus here. Next is x into 16. X into 16 is 16x. So this is the answer of x into x plus 16. So first answer we go. Now second diagonal numbers are x plus 2, then x plus 14. So x plus 2 into x plus 14. No need to put the multiplication simple here. When you close the bracket, it means it is multiplication. Now how we will simplify this? How we will open the bracket here? Here answer is, we have to use the very first identity. Okay, x plus y, then u plus v, that one. That is x into x first. X into x is x square. All are positive. So put plus here. Then x into 14. Okay, first with x. Two numbers with x. So x into 14. 14x plus. Next is with the 2. 2 into x. 2 into x is 2x plus 2 into 14. 2 into 14 is 28. Okay. Now here only one x square here. So no need to add, just write x square itself. Now x terms, two x terms are here. 14x and 2x. This one we can add. Both are same x terms. So 14 plus 2, 16x. Then only one number term. So 28. Next is what? Difference. Okay. From this answer we have to subtract this one. So minus this one. So x square minus 16x. X square and x square we can cancel. Plus 16x and minus 16x answer. What is the remaining one? 28 is the remaining answer. So by using algebra also we got the same answer 28 as the answer when we find the product of diagonal numbers from the square of 9 numbers. Okay, so question number 3 answer is over. So chapter also over, chapter 4 identity over. So hope you understand. Thank you. See you in the next video with the new chapter.